Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome to Success with Buddy Boome. My name's Buddy Boome, and I'm from Northwest Washington, and I am a single father of five. I want to show you guys how to get signed up with Mint Builder today. Okay, so if you've been on this page, you know what Mint Builder is. It's a international precious metals, gold and silver home business where you can get precious metals, gold and silver for a wholesale price as a member. So you get discounted prices and you get access to a bunch of different pieces, and you can actually get tangible products sent to your mailbox every single month and go into business with yourself. Okay, so to get started, this is my personal page, and guys, I have a special bonus for the ones that sign with me, that only me. So this is for a limited time only. For joining me, I'm going to give you guys some special bonuses. Okay, so the promo for Mint Builder for the month of December, you can actually join Mint Builder for free for the first month at the member platform, and you're going to get a 1/10 ounce silver, no shipping cost. And so my bonus for, even if you join as a free member, I'm going to give you a or a unlimited leads for life system where you can get a system that teaches you how to reach out to people, and it's going to help you grow your Mint Builder business. Okay, so those, and then I got another bonus for the ones that upgrade with me. So anyways, I am going to show you guys how to get started. Okay, this is my own personal page, and the ones that upgrade with me, the bonus, if you upgrade up to I'm going to show you guys the level that if you become a paying member, I'm going to give you a vacation getaway for Las Vegas, a 4-night stay. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to get started here. Okay, so tap this button right here. This is going to go to a capture page. You're going to be able to get a replicated site like this one. This is the Mint Builder capture page. Mint Builder, as a member, if you get the member platform or higher, the marketing system comes with all memberships. So you get an autoresponder, email broadcaster, and tools to help grow your business. So in a nutshell, these home businesses, you invite people to take a look at a video. That's all you do. You invite people to look at the video, you follow up with them, and you learn to be consistent at doing that. You'll get a pretty good residual income. Mint Builder is Stripe, so you'll be able to connect Stripe with your account. It pays instantly. So every time a person comes in and gets a membership, it's going to go instantly inside your account. Okay, so what you're going to want to do here is fill in your name, your best email, and your phone number. Make sure you put your right email and the right phone number, because you're going to know why. This marketing system actually gives you a text message. It messages you when somebody comes in and fills this form in. That's going to help you get more people upgraded and become a paying member with Mint Builder. Okay, so fill that form in, and then click the claim your free silver now button. That's going to go to this page right here. Okay, so you can watch this video, discover Mint Builder. You can change everything. You can watch the video, and it's solely up to you if you want to take the survey and get a free piece of silver. It's 1 gram of silver. But for training purposes, I'm showing you guys the memberships and how to get started. So click or tap get started right here. So you see that my identification code for Mint Builder is 1000186. So it's 1186. That's my Mint Builder ID number. So you're going to want to make sure when you sign up with me with Mint Builder that's the code in there. Okay, so you're going to want to go to get started here. I'm going to show you guys the memberships that you can get with Mint Builder. Okay, so this is my referring ID. It's 10186. So you're going to want to make sure when you're joining me that ID number is right there. Plus click continue. So go to continue, and then you're going to see the memberships. Okay, so the first membership is the member platform. This is normally $37. you're going to get the income platform. That's basically the marketing system, marketing funnel, and it's going to position you to get MintBuilder stuff in the back end, precious metals, gold, silver, bullion, jewelry. You're going to be able to get everything at a wholesale price that's competitive with prices, wholesale prices worldwide for precious metals, gold and silver, platinum, palladium. You're also going to get a 1/10 ounce of silver monthly, and that's the promo. You're going to get the member platform for free. That's normally $37. Next one is the micro saver bundle. You're going to get okay, so this is a micro saver. It's $17 every month. You're going to get the income platform access, marketing funnel, and you're going to get 1/10 ounce of silver. That's $17 a month. The next one is the silver piece bundle, and this is where you get a $50 like this. I have one that's like $19.18, and it's $49 a month, and you're going to get the income platform, and it's 1/3 ounce of silver for $49 a month. The next one is the silver saver bundle, and instead of saying that you get the income platform over and over and over, you get the income platform with every membership, guys. So that comes in at no additional cost. You're going to get the marketing system. Okay, so this one is the silver saver bundle. You're going to get a 1 ounce silver coin every single month, and that's $69 a month. Okay, this next one is the platinum gram bundle, where you're going to get a gram of platinum. It's 99.9% 1 gram platinum. It's $99 a month. This one, okay, so this is the around the world bundle, and you're going to get a MS70 coin. You're going to get a different coin from around the world every single month. That's $106. And this is where my bonus starts, guys. Okay, so any membership that is over $100, okay, if you come in and join the around the world bundle, or even the platinum gram bundle, I'm going to throw in a Vegas vacation getaway 4-night stay for you taking action. I'm going to give you a 4-night stay in Vegas for taking action and joining, a membership that is over $99 or over. So any of these from above the platinum bundle, I'm going to give you the 4-night Vegas stay. The next one is the gold gram bundle. That's $112 a month. You're going to get a gram of gold every single month at that membership. The next one is the Bullion, and so this one you're going to get an MS70 coin, and also you're going to get a 1 ounce coin every single month, and that is $136 a month. This is the popular one. I like this one. This is the gold and silver membership. That's $139 a month. You're going to get 1 gram of gold and also a 1 ounce silver coin every single month. That's the most popular one. That's the one that I like to get because I like to collect gold and silver. This next one is called the Select Few, and it's $186 a month. You're going to get a piece that is handpicked by the CEO every single month. That's at value of, I believe it said $180 to $200 coin of value of that or higher, and that's $186 a month. So the CEO is going to handpick a piece every single month. This next one, the final one, is the Global Elite Bundle. Okay, you're going to get a coin that's worth over $500 or more, and that's $497 a month, and that comes with a bunch of accessories. You're going to get a secret wholesale access, income platform access, marketing funnel, full commission access, scarce high value asset. Okay, so those are the memberships that you have with MintBuilder now. I know a lot of them have changed, and guys, take action on this because you're going to get a cool special bonus for joining me at the platinum gram or higher. Any membership that's over $100, you're going to get a Vegas vacation getaway for taking action. And even if you become a free member, I'm going to give you the unlimited leads for life system. Uh, you're going to get the lead system where it gives you 100 leads, and you get to refresh those leads as long as you attempt to contact them. You're going to get the names of the leads, the company they've been in, their phone number, their email, and you can text or call those leads. It's even going to give you a phone script or a text script to text those leads if you want. And that's going to help you grow your MintBuilder business. It makes sense just to give that system. You're going to be able to get that, make it an additional income source too. You can get $15 commissions with that unlimited leads for life system. That's not what the name of the system is. That's just what I'm calling it. I'm not going to give the name over this video because I'm marking you guys as a paid member. That's even when you come in as a free member, because the compensation plan is powerful with MintBuilder. You get 10% commissions with MintBuilder for every membership. Okay, so for example, somebody comes in at the Round the World bundle, you're going to get $10.60 a month for that membership. Every month they get that membership, you're going to get $10.60. So basically the platinum, you're going to get basically $10 a month. And the gold ground bundle, it's $11 a month. The Bullion, and it's $13 a month. This one, the gold and silver, that's basically like $14 a month. And the select few, that's $18 a month. And then the global elite, you'll get $49 a month, basically $50 a month for that membership. And one of the powerful thing, what I'm talking about, the compensation plan, is you're going to get 50% matching, team matching pay levels, tiers 2 through 5. So people that sign up under you and sign up under your signups and the signups, you're going to get 50% team matching pay. So if somebody under your sign up goes out and finds a superstar and they go out and do $1,000 a month income, you're going to get half of that, 50% team matching pay. So that goes with tiers 2 through 5 with this system. So MintBuilder, those are the memberships. That's how you can get started. Let's go into the promos for December. Okay, holiday promos for December 2021. Okay, so we're running 3 promos starting December. It's going until New Year's Eve, midnight Eastern Standard Time. So the first promo, you're going to receive 10% of member pricing on MintBuilder shop products. That excludes the Bullion and memberships. When you use promo code HOLIDAY10, you get 10% discounts. Second promo, any new member who purchases a paid membership during his promotion will receive 1 free 90% silver quarter and 1 90% silver dime with their first delivery. Nothing beats free silver. And yes, this promo includes the free first month member platform. The third promo, we have a very special price on this limited mintage winter coin. The beautiful coin is a 2022 Fiji snowflake shaped with the Swarovski crystals. It's 1/2 ounce silver dollar coin gem BU. Only 2,500 of these coins have been minted. Retail for $90, and we're selling it at company cost for only $70. Okay, so that's the promo. There's only 2,500 of these circulating worldwide. I mean, that means that 2,500 have only been made with this for $70. Okay, so also don't forget we're still running the free first month member platform with the free 1/10 ounce of silver round for new members. Make sure to use this promo to grow your business this month. And if you have been on the fence to join MintBuilder, now is the time, guys. You can join absolutely free. And remember the bonuses that you get for joining me on MintBuilder. You're going to get that unlimited leads for life system even when you become a free member. And when you join at any membership that's only over $99, you're going to get a Vegas vacation stay. You have up to 2 years to use that, so you can save it and plan plan for it, but you're going to get up to 4 nights, 4 people, 4 nights vacation getaway in Vegas. That's for upgrading to $99 membership or higher when you join me. I got some pretty cool bonuses in there, and I showed you guys how to join. That's how you get started. You know the memberships with Mint Builder. So guys, and that's up to you now to make that educated decision. I hope you guys have a good 2021, the rest of your 2021. Let's make 2022 your best year yet, guys. You can do it. Mint Builder is a legit opportunity. You can start stacking that precious metals. Great opportunity, great business. I love stacking my Bullion, Numismatic, silver. You get all this stuff in here. Okay, so helpful links. This is just helpful links. You get free training by Ray Higdon. It's also going to show you how to become a part of his training group. It's called Rank Makers. Ray Higdon is a top network marketer in this industry, and we're a part of a community. We have a Facebook group, the Global Mint Builder Global Group. We have trainings every Friday. It's free training Fridays. I forget what it's called. I had a brain fart. But it's you're gonna get training by one of the top network marketers in the industry, Pete Olsen. He's like the #1 earner in this whole company. So he does trainings every single Friday in the Facebook group, and you're gonna learn. It's as simple as just inviting people to take a look at a video. You don't have to have any special type of skills, and it's all you got to do is just have a membership. You see, you can get a membership as low as $17 a month, or $69 a month, or $49 a month if you want tangible products sent to you. So that's how you get started with Mint Builder, guys. I don't want to take too much of your time up. Check it out. Click the link down there. You know how to get started now. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.